Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So I think that this right here is the end of a pullback on the daily, possibly the end of a wave B of either a running wave B, like a running flat, or a expanding flat wave B. That means that this could be a wave one and this could be a wave two, but to me it looks like it needs to form a more proper three-wave structure for the wave two before it potentially goes down and makes a big wave three. So I think we're in a wave two pullback that is not complete yet. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we got what I think is pretty impulsive up. That's why I'm calling this an A. I think this is going to end up being three waves down for like a wave B. I think we're going to likely get another impulsive up for a wave C. Then we'll probably go to a Fibonacci retracement on this move down, like the fib levels that I have on the 4 hour time frame, hoping this is a wave one, hoping this is a wave two, and maybe by the end of the week or first thing next week, we'll get a big entry to go short for a big, nice wave three. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.